Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. We do get a dual exhaust with this vehicle, nice little roof spoiler. We got some silver and black trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. Get a hook, a 12-volt. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and you do get your normal storage underneath. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 74,291 kilometers. We get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control. And looking at our main screen here, we have a digital speedometer. We get My View, Trip and Feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders. More storage here with a 12-volt. You get your storage in the glove compartment as well. Your climate controls are just conveniently right here. Easy to touch. Dual climate, heated front seats, and steering wheel. Dual storage below. Hazards, media controls, and looking here we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls where we can see who's been previously connected. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8104, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.